Hello guys, today I am going to show you the functionalities and features of the Renovate ICE module for the OnePlus 7. So basically this is a magic module that can help you tweak your stock OOS ROM, that is Oxygen OS ROMs for OnePlus 7 series. Let's go over the features of this module first. So after installing the module, you get this RICE app or the Renovate ICE app, in which you can tweak all the customization features that are available. So let's go through them one by one. In the status bar section, you can get all these features going from top to the bottom, like double tap to sleep, status bar, brightness control, clock position. You can have the option to show seconds or the day of the week, change the font, you can even change the color. You can also have the date and the clock. You can have a battery bar at the top. You can also control the color. The icons in the status bar, you can change the color. You can change the color of the individual icons, like the clock, the notification, battery percent, Bluetooth indicator, and all. Next, you can see in notification section, you can have the option to change the color of the notification. Also, you can force expand notifications. Going next on the quick settings section, you can have the Oreo style quick settings. That is, if you select the Oreo style quick settings, your quick settings will appear like this. Then you also have the quick setting vibration, that is when you enable or disable while toggling, you get a vibration, that is a feedback. You can also have the option to hide quick setting labels. You can also have the option to hide date while expanding the quick setting panel. Quick pull down and smart pull down is also available. You can also enable the quick settings blur, that is mostly available in all the custom ROMs, as you can see. You also have the option of QS style animation. You can change the number of tiles, number of icons that will be visible in expanded quick settings, as well as the compact quick setting view. As you can see, I've set it to 6 and 3, which looks pretty organized. You can have an option to display a RAM bar, so you can see the RAM used here. You can change the color of the tiles and the background of the QS setting panel. You can also set it transparent. The scrim effect behind the quick settings, if you disable it, you can see the difference. Then you have option to customize each and every icon in the quick setting. Now coming to the lock screen, you have the option to randomize pin if you have pin security. You can hide lock screen clock and date, as well as status bar. Lock screen brightness control on status bar. You can disable power menu, album art, hide lock screen shortcuts from the left and right. You can also customize fingerprint icon colors, however it is not recommended because the default color works the best. Coming to the buttons, you can change the height of the nav bar. This is one of the features people go to custom ROMs, that is torch on power key. When your phone display is off, pressing power key for some time turns on the torch. You also have the auto torch off, that is if you turn your display on, the torch automatically switches off. You can remap the home, recent and back buttons, but that will require you buying the license. Now coming to the miscellaneous section, screen off animation, you have option of none, CRT and scale. I'll show you how the CRT animation and the scale animation look like. You have the option to enable all rotations, that is up to 180 degrees. Lock device if dropped. Though I cannot show you this on my screen recording, but I'll just drop my phone and not press any button and you will see my display will go off. So I just dropped my device and the phone got locked. You have the burn-in protection. Option to enable screenshot from secure apps. Call recording. You can change the animation duration. Option to disable notification sounds when the screen is on. This is one of the most useful features people demand in custom ROMs. You can also separate the notification and ringtone volume by checking this unlink toggle. You can also set the side of volume panel. Now this is one of the best features that OnePlus 7 Pro has by default. However, the OnePlus 7 does not have. So after installing this module, you get this feature also on the OnePlus 7. So you can set the number of times the horizon lights light up after a notification arrives. You can have the option of turning on the horizon lights when a notification arrives. Also, you can set the horizon lights color to the color of the icon of the app. The always on horizon lights setting is available after purchase. You can customize the left and right edges of the horizon lights from this. Ambient display clock color, that can also be changed. You can have the option to always show weather and change the clock style to a thinner. I don't prefer fingerprint icon showing on the lock screen every time notification arrives, so I've disabled this option. You can also individually disable app name, app icon, notification title and summary. At last, you have the high brightness mode, which turning it on increases the brightness tremendously. Auto HBM mode is in the purchased version only. Apart from this, you also get in your settings, in customization options, you get the McLaren clock style apart from the default clock styles. Also in fingerprint, you get the McLaren effect and also an energy effect, which is not there by default on the stock ROMs. So that was it about the RICE module.